Ready? Come on over, say
I think
hi.
they will be sitting there.
Hello everyone. Magandang araw po. Hello to everyone doing. This is Robbie Domingo. The better version.
Hello, good morning to everyone. I hope you guys are excited for the big event happening on Saturday.
Yes, we'll be there.
Yes.
So we have 8 minutes, right? Questions?
I flew from Calgary.
Okay, table
Okay.
two.
Okay, sure.
I want to is right here. Have a seat. Okay. Next up, Asia's pop heartthrob Darren and pop battle royalty Eric Santos. Come on over. Quick hi first, and then you'll head your
May palabas ako ng mic.
Good morning, everyone. Hello po sa inyong lahat. My name is Darren. Thank you so much for being with us today. Mabuhay! Hi!
Hello!
Hello!
Ito, nasa gitna.
So nice to be here, to see all of you. Thank you for welcoming us here in Vancouver.
Table 3, Darren and Eric, table 3. Doon sa kaliwa, ayan. Next up, we have the Power Diva, Angeline Pinto, and the pop rock superstar, Yang Constantino. Good morning, good morning. Come on over, girls. Say hello na.
Magandang araw po. Thank you po for welcoming us. Si Ande. Sa mga relatives ko, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat, and thank you very much sa oras na binigay ninyo para sa amin. Sana po ay maging handa po kayo sa mga magiging sagot ko ngayon. Joke lang. Thank you very much po.
Thank you. Table 4, girls. Table 4. Table 4 tayo, to the left. Next pair of artists coming out, we have the Asian songbird, Regine Velasquez at
Hello! Ay, hello! Iba naman pala ang pasabog sa video. Ang aga mo.
Ilabas?
Yes!
So that's the real schedule of it?
Yes! Maaga, 7 ba?
7:30.
Maaga.